If you are a beginner looking to sell on Amazon in 2022, this could be the most important video that you watch. After selling close to $5 million in products online, here are 5 tips that I can give you to be successful sooner than later. Number 1, do not get emotionally connected to your business. Rather, make data-driven decisions so that you can take the emotion out of it. What do I mean by that? Emotion can realistically yield negative results. If I were to launch a product that has little to no demand, that is not currently selling on Amazon, and I'm just hoping and crossing my fingers to sell that product because I am emotionally connected to it and I think that it is a great product, you are going to fail. You are building a physical product business for somebody. And in order to be successful, what you need to do is find products that are already existing, selling well, or has some form of starving crowd, okay? Find demand, find data, and make your decisions based off of that and put your emotion aside. You'll thank me later. Tip number 2, one thing that you guys need to understand is that the modern age of selling on Amazon in 2022 is significantly different compared to selling back in 2015. Back then, you could sell products like anything, but now the key to selling on Amazon and being successful is by building a brand. And in order to build a brand, you need to build a brand specifically for somebody. So once you find that product, identify who that product is specifically going to be for. And everything that you do needs to be tailored to that specific person. Your copy, your images, the way that you differentiate your product, and how you come in with a more premium offer. Everything needs to relate to that specific customer so that when they hop onto your listing, you actually resonate with them and you convert over your competitors. Doing this on the front end and understanding who your end customer is going to make your life so much easier by adding products that serve the same customer. Tip number 3, the key to winning on Amazon is by launching more and more products. Whether you're testing them and having them become successful, your goal is to continuously launch products until you have this product line that is consistently selling. Ryan Moran shares a formula to create a 7-figure business, and that is selling 3 to 5 products, at least 25 units per day per SKU at an average price point of $30. 3 to 5 products, guys. That is the key. Launch multiple products that serve the same customer, and what you guys will yield is a sustainable Amazon business. Think of your business very similar to an investment portfolio. If you're looking to build a business to replace your income, to go travel the world, to achieve goals that you are not able to achieve by working your job, you need to build sustainability. By looking at it like an investment portfolio, think of those products as all of that diversification that you have in your investment portfolio. Stocks, bonds, real estate. If one thing flunks, if we're going to a recession right now, a bunch of stocks are gonna go down. You still have things like real estate that could potentially be more stagnant. You're diversifying over multiple different streams, and because of that, you're not relying on just one. It's the same idea when selling products on Amazon. Having multiple products in your product line that serve the same customer allows you to monetize that customer and have a significantly longer lifetime value. But also, if something happens to one of those products, let's say Amazon takes it down, let's say you have a malicious competitor that is absolutely targeting you and you no longer can sell that product, you still have 2, 3, 4, 5 other products that are bringing you consistent income every single day. Tip number 4, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Now, I work with a lot of different people. I have over 500 students in my program that I've been working with on a one-on-one level and a group level. And one thing that I make sure that I ensure these people are not coming in with is the fact that they're gonna get rich quick. The reason why, and the reason why people think that you could potentially get rich, is because there's people out there that tell you that you can inject $2,000 in and get $100,000 out. Do the math, guys. That is literally impossible. One thing that I'll constantly say is that you're building a real business here. There is no overnight success. If you think that you can put money in and get a return out tomorrow, you are wrong. And if you think that, this is the wrong business for you, okay? Make sure that you put in the efforts, make sure that you understand your business, make sure that you can build processes within that business, which take time to do, and then eventually you can build a machine that works, that you can automate with teammates, with softwares, automations, and everything along those lines so that you can finally have a passive income source that is running in the background, that's making you money while you sleep, that's making you money while you travel. And tip number 5, probably the most important thing, guys, always be a student. Amazon is literally changing every single week. I literally see new news come out from Amazon every single week, every single quarter. Policies are changing, meaning you need to be on your toes. You need to be able to adapt. You need to be able to pivot as soon as possible. If you are not doing that and you're trying to use the same trends that worked 6 months ago, you're gonna be unsuccessful because there's gonna be new things that are gonna work better as opposed to older things that are no longer working. That means you're putting in your money, your resources, your time into things that are no longer working. Being a student, joining other mentorship programs, being active in communities, helping others, what that allows you to do, it allows you to constantly have your feet and your skin in the game and allows you to be up to par with strategies that are working today. These 5 tips I wish I knew sooner than later. These are the things that I've consistently done over the past 4 years of selling on Amazon that has yielded close to $5 million in private label sales, guys. If you guys want free content, if you want to be around other successful people that have the same mindset, click the link in the description up here and join my free Facebook community so you can get access to free resources, content, and more people.